Hello and welcome. Today I want to do a quick video on how you can make your own sounds on Maschine and put them straight into Traktor so you can DJ immediately. This creates your own signature sounds and I think you'll really dig this. So we're just going to go over to Maschine. I've picked Carbon Decay Kendo Kit. I'm going to make the pattern 1 bar, and I'm going to change the BPM to something like, I don't know, 135. Why not? So I'm going to make something really simple. I'm going to put it into step mode and just do 4 bass drums so it sounds like this. Now that last one is not brilliant, so I'm just going to do fixed velocity. Brilliant. And all you have to do is click over here where there's a waveform and a cursor, and you just have to drag it. Now I'm holding the mouse down at the moment. Okay, ignore the fact it says 133 BPM, and this is now a compiled audio file. So if I now drag it over to Traktor and drop it straight in, it's now put it into Traktor, into the track collection. If I hit grid, make sure that the tempo says 135, enter, and just press play. Now what you can do with it is I've got a remix set up. I've got it on sync, and I'm going to type in 135 just to make it that. And I'm just going to drag that over to the remix set. I'm really happy with that already. So the next thing we're going to do is jazz it up a little bit. So I'm going to make another pattern on here. If you're not sure about Maschine, please do check out my other videos where I go through everything from the beginner upwards. On here, we're just going to clear. And again, pattern, make it 1 bar. So I'm just going to record it in here. So now we can just drag it in, drag it into there, and 135, enter. This time it's gone to 2 bars because we had a little bit of resonance at the end. So we're just going to take that off and then put it back on 4 beats, drag it over there, and now we can press play together. So we can do that. And let's get a bit of music on the go. A bit of tonal. Again, with this, if you change the velocities or you add effects or anything like that, it will keep it and save it as an audio and transfer over. So you can do whatever you want to this. It's unbelievable. So if I make another pattern, and clear that, put it into keyboard mode. So I can just hit record. Okay, I'm happy with that. But just to prove to you, I'm going to put another bit of effects on. So if we add that, and everyone loves a bit of flange, that should be my tagline. Okay, a little bit quirky. And then we just do that again. We're just going to drag it over. It's the same process for everything. And this time is a little bit different because we've got the beat marker there. And we're just going to go Q, get rid of that, put it at the beginning, and then grid it. And then we're going to go to grid. And it thinks it's 180, but it's actually 135. And this time we're going to click 8. 16, so there we go, it covers that, and then we do this over here. So now what we've got is the start of a song. If I start going, And it is that simple. You can do this with anything on Maschine. Just double check to make sure you put them in here. And again, once you've played them 3 times on the remix sets, we just click down to samples, and at the bottom, we've got all the stuff we've just done onto here. So Kendo 3, 133 BPM, there it is. So that means whenever I want to, I can drag this back up and I could play it like that if I want to. Or I could put it into another remix set. To save this as your remix set, just click on the deck letter, just save remix set, call it what you want, and it will then pop into all remix sets right down the bottom. Simple as that. This is an amazing way to get your own sound and your own style across to anyone you know. And when you're DJing, you can make unique products and unique sounds only to you. And I think it's just a really clever, quick way and intuitive way of doing it. Thank you very much. See you soon.